G'day. So today's a bit different video. We're actually saying goodbye to this car. Now this is a special slot car. It is a Monogram static kit that was converted into a slot car. So I got the slot guide down there. And I finished this off. I put some Pioneer wheels, a couple of Pioneer figures, a bow and a Luke. I think I put the push bar, I put a roll bar. There's a roll bar in there. I put that in there, put the aerial on, and put the rear view mirror. And I bought it off a bloke called Greg in New South Wales, and he saw the video last week and he sent me an email and he bought it back off me. So he regretted selling it and he bought it back. And I'd spent too much money really to sell it. I've lost a lot of money on this, but it's sort of the I would never have sold it because I'd need like $500 to make it worth selling, and I didn't get that. But Greg paid more than he wanted to, so neither of us are happy, but he'll be happy to have his old car back. So I'm saying goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.